Hello, my dear students. I, Miss Munazza Sayyed, welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Today, I am going to teach you English subject of grade 2. So, children, in our last period, we saw that plastic good or bad. And we saw that what will happen when we will throw the plastic bags in the air and what will happen if the plastic bags are near the plants, if the animals will eat that, or, or if the plastic bags we will throw in the drain or in the water or in the river, what are the causes? Okay, means what will happen after doing all these things. So now you have to tell me, if we will throw the carry bag, the plastic bag outside, what will happen? If the plastic bags we will throw outside like this only, okay, what will happen? They will blow with the air, they will fly in the air, and they will get stuck in the trees. Then what will happen? The trees will look beautiful? No, the trees will look ugly, means it will look dirty. When the carry bags, when the plastic bags will be near the plant, what will happen, children? If the plastic bags are near the plant, it will not let the air and water reach the roots. And if the air and water will not reach to the roots, what will happen? The plants will grow? No, the plants will not grow. They will die. And if the animals will eat those plastic bags, they will become sick. So after listening all these things, Seema again had a question. Shall we throw these bags in the drain? So what Seema asked, shall we throw these bags in the drain? D-R-A-I-N. Drain means what? A pipe through the dirty water flow out. Then what mother replied? Oh no, plastic bags will make the water dirty, and because of those plastic bags, water will not flow easily. It will get stuck somewhere. And if these bags are in the rivers and lakes, there are animals, fish, other animals, they are living in the water. So what will happen, children? The carry bags will not flow in the water properly, and it will become harmful to the animals which are living in the water. They can't able to breathe properly. Okay, means how we are breathing now? Freshly in the air. Yes, so those animals will not able to breathe properly, and those animals will get trapped in the bags. Okay, get trapped. T-R-A-P-P-E-D. Trapped. Trapped meaning what? Stuck. वो लोग फंस जाएंगे कैरी बैग में. Okay, so and it will make the water dirty. Till here we saw in our last period. Now we are going to see the further session. Okay, so remove your textbook. Page number 49. Yes. See, plastic bags also make the water dirty. Till here, we saw in our last period. Now, then let's burn them, said Samir. If we will throw it outside, it is harmful for us. If we will throw this in water, that is also becoming very harmful for all of us, even for the animals. But now what Samir is telling? Let's burn them. Burn. B-U-R-N. Burn. तो जला देंगे, ऐसा Who is telling like this? Sameer. So let's burn them. So we should never burn plastic. We should never burn plastic. So what shall we do? We should never burn plastic. When we burn plastic, so what will happen, children, after burning the plastic? The air is filled with black smoke. When we will burn the plastic, the air is filled. F-I-L-L-E-D. Filled with. B-L-A-C-K. Black. S-M-O-K-E. Smoke. Black smoke. Here you can see, children, if we will burn the plastic, the air is filled with black smoke. See here, after burning the plastic, the air will filled with black smoke. Black color smoke we will have. Okay. So the air will filled with the black smoke. It is not safe to breathe this air. So it is not safe to breathe this air. Means breathe yani we are breathing air inside, right? So it is not good for our health because it will make us feel unwell. Unwell means what? Sick. Means बीमार हो जाएंगे हम लोग. We will not feel well. Unwell means not feeling well. Okay. So because of this air, we will not feel well and we should not breathe this kind of air. So burning plastic is also harmful. So what can we do with these plastic bags, ma? Now if we will throw, it's not good. If we will throw that in the drainage, that time it is also not good. So now if Sameer had come with the idea that shall we burn the plastic? Then mother said no, it is also not good for us. Now the children are asking, what can we do with these plastic bags, ma? Ask the children together. Now children means who here? Seema and Sameer together they asked. Okay. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Both of them what they did? Together they asked. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. Together meaning एक साथ. Okay. We should use them again and again, said mother. So what mother said? We should not burn them. We should not throw them in the water. We should not throw them outside. Instead of doing all those things, what we have to do? We should use them again and again. We should use the things made up of plastic again and again, said mother. But you just said plastic bags are bad, said Samir. Now, as the plastic bags are bad, what Samir said that, mother, just now you said plastic bags are bad. So why we should use those bags again and again? Now Samir is asking this. Not always. Plastic bags can also be useful. Not always. What mother said? Not always. Plastic bags can also be useful. Not every time, but the plastic bags are useful sometimes. We use things made of plastic every day. So what mother is telling now, we are using the things made of plastic every day. Children, name some things which are using every day that are made up of plastic. Water bottles, good. Yes, your scales, your writing pads which you are using for the exam, very good. Buckets, buckets. Buckets, say the spelling. buckets. Buckets. bottles. 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 combs. Combs which you are using while styling your hair. Okay, comb. tooth. Tooth. brushes. Brushes. Toothbrushes and so on. So what mother said, not always the plastic is harmful or bad. Plastic bags can also be useful. We use things made of plastic every day, like your scales, your writing pad, buckets, water bottles, combs, toothbrushes, and so on. But we must be careful how we use them. So, what mother is telling here again, but we must be careful how we use them and how we put them away, said mother. So what mother replied, that plastic bags are useful also, and we are using the things made up of plastic every day. So many things we are using. Okay. But again, one more thing mother is telling here, that we must be careful. About what? That how we are using the things and how we should put them away. Put them away means we have to keep the things properly in a particular place. Means the decided place, said mother. Now I know why you always carry a cloth bag when you go shopping, said Seema. So what Seema replied now? Now I know why you always carry a cloth bag. cloth, cloth. bag, bag. Cloth means what? In Hindi we can say kapda. Okay, in Marathi kapad. So that bag which is made up of cloth, her mother used to carry when she goes for shopping. SHOPPING, shopping. So what Seema replied here? Now I came to know that why you're always carrying a cloth bag will go to a shopping, said Seema. Thank you, Ma, for telling us about plastic, said Samir. Now, what Samir replied here? Thank you, Ma, for telling us about plastic. TELLING. Telling us ABOUT. About PLASTIC. Plastic. Who said this? Samir. And even we have come to know lot many things about plastic. And this lesson was so much informative. Okay. Now we are going to solve the questions, children. Embedded question. Think and answer. Don't leave the plastic bags on the table. Put them in the cupboard, said mother. Is it good to put things where they belong? Why do you think so? Now children, is it good to put the things on the proper place? Why do you think so? Now suppose you are removing your shoes after going home and just you're leaving it on the floor like this only. You're not keeping those shoes in the shoe rack. So is it good to keep the shoes in the shoe rack? And why, if it is good? Yes, it is good to put things where they belong because we should keep the rooms in our house clean. So when you will keep, shoes was the example, children. If you will keep that shoes properly, our house will be clean. Not only shoes, even your toys, your books, your all the belongings should be on the proper place. Say yes or no. Plastic bags are light. They are light, children? Yes. Good. Second one. Plastic bags can fly away in the breeze. Breeze means what? Gentle wind in the air. Plastic bags can fly in the air, children? Yes. Plants do not need water or fresh air to grow. Plants do not need water or fresh air to grow. Plants are not needing the water and fresh air, children. Is it true or false? Means yes or no? No. Good. Animals eat the plants and fall sick. Animals eat the plants and fall sick. Yes or no? No. Then after eating what the animals will be sick? After the plastic. Very good. Yes. Next. Choose the correct answer. Here we have the options. Okay, we have to choose the correct answer. First one, if we throw plastic bags into water. If, agar, okay. If we throw plastic bags into water, what will happen? From these options we have to select. A1, fish and other animals run away. Second one, the animals and fish cannot breathe. Third one, the water can be easily clean. So here are the options. Fish and other animals will run, or the animals and fish cannot breathe, or the water can be easily clean. Which option will be right? B1. Very good. It's correct answer. Because the animals and fish cannot breathe. Second, when we burn plastic, when we burn plastic, the smoke can make us feel unwell, can kill the plants, can make the air around us dirty. Which is the correct answer? Can make us feel unwell. If we will burn the plastic, the air will be filled by the black smoke. So it can make us feel unwell, or it can kill the plants, or it can make the air around us dirty. Yes, you are right. It can make us feel unwell. When we go shopping, we should always carry. When we go shopping, we should always carry a jute bag, a paper bag, or a cloth bag. Which bag? Cloth bag. Very good. So first one answer is B, then A, then C. B, A, C. Yes, we are right. Now I'm going to play the audio. You have to listen. And just while listening, you have to keep the finger in your textbook on the proper line. Okay, children? I'll play the audio. You have to put the finger as you are listening in the audio the proper line. Like one day, Seema and Samir bought fruits in 2 plastic bags. You have to keep the finger on it.
Unit 6. Plastic. Good or bad? Now let us find out if using things made of plastic is good or bad for the world around us. One day, Seema and Samir bought fruits in 2 plastic bags. They carried the bags home and placed them on the table. Don't leave the plastic bags on the table. Put them in the cupboard, said Mother. Why, Ma? Asked Seema. Because plastic bags are light and they can fly away in the breeze. They can get stuck in trees and look ugly, said Samir. Mother smiled. You are right, Samir. When plastic bags fall near plants, they do not let air and water reach the roots. Then, the plants do not grow well and they die. Sometimes, animals eat the plastic and become sick. Shall we throw them into the drain? Asked Seema. Oh no! Plastic bags don't allow the water to flow easily. Fish and other animals in the water cannot breathe when there are many plastic bags in the rivers and lakes. Sometimes these animals get trapped in them. Plastic bags also make the water dirty, said Mother. Then let's burn them, said Samir. We should never burn plastic. When we burn plastic, the air is filled with black smoke. It is not safe to breathe this air because it will make us feel unwell. So what can we do with these plastic bags, Mom? Asked the children together. We should use them again and again, said Mother. But you just said plastic bags are bad, said Samir. Not always. Plastic bags can also be useful. We use things made of plastic every day. Buckets, bottles, combs, toothbrushes, and so on. But we must be careful how we use them and how we put them away, said Mother. Now I know why you always carry a cloth bag when you go shopping, said Seema. Thank you, Ma, for telling us about plastic, said Samir.
Okay. Now we are going to see the presentation. Good uses of plastic bottles. So we are going to see here the good uses of plastic bottles. The story Plastic Good or Bad means our story which we saw Mother, Seema and Samir shows us that plastic can be good and bad. Means in this story we have learned plastics are good as well as bad. Plastic can also be used to make toys, buckets, bottles, chairs and many other things. But when we throw away or burn plastic, it makes animals and people fall sick and can make plants die. So, many people have created different ways of using plastic again and again. Here, children, plastic can also be used to make toys, buckets, toothbrushes, combs, water bottles, chairs, and many other things. But when we will burn the plastic or we will throw it outside, it will make animals and people fall sick and the plants may die. So, many peoples have created different ways, means according to their mentality, they have created different ways that how we can use the plastic again and again. Bricks are used to make buildings. Okay. Plastic bottles filled with plastic wrappers can be used to make bricks. These are called bottle bricks. These bricks can be used to make house. Now we know the bricks are made up of mud, but here we can fill the plastic in the plastic bag itself and we can make the bricks from those bottles and they are called bottle bricks, and these bricks we can use to make a house. See, the one of the way and one of the benefit of how we can use the plastic. Next, plastic bottles and their colorful caps can also be used for decoration. The caps can be stuck together on the walls to make beautiful designs. Plastic bottles can also be used to make flower vases, pencil holders, lamp shades and so on. See, here you can see the colorful caps of the different water bottles we can use for decoration. Did you know empty plastic bottles can be used again in factories to make jackets? A total of 25 bottles are needed to make one jacket. So because with these water bottles, we can make a jacket also, but in the factories. used old empty plastic bottle to make planters in which we can grow plants. We can keep these plants inside the house. We can hang these bottles near a window so that the plants get enough sunlight to grow. Even we can use these water bottles to grow a plant. Question time. Think of two more ways in which we can use plastic bottles again. Now, children, think of two more things and just list the things how we can use the water bottles and plastic bottles again. Okay? So here, children, we have completed the other half part of the lesson number 6. Plastic, good or bad? What do you think? Plastic is only good or bad? Both the ways. Plastic will be good and it will be bad also. When we are using the plastic again and again in different ways, it's good. But when we are throwing it out and when we are burning it, it's not good. It's bad. So here we have completed the teaching part of our lesson number 6, plastic, good or bad. In the next period, we are going to solve the textbook exercise. Till then, read the lesson and learn the meanings. Thank you.